Oh yeah, you can see there. Yeah, thought I'd come up today, do a bit of digging. I've got some good news. What I'm going to do is I'll do a bit more digging, and then we'll have a sit down, and then we'll have a bit of a chat. Crack on. I thought I'd take a 5-minute break from digging. Not been on YouTube for quite a while, well over a month. Just had one or two little problems where just feeling a bit under the weather, went to the doctors, had a blood test. Just going to wait till go back next Thursday, but I've been trying to take it a little bit easier. But in the meantime, what I've managed to do is, I'm telling you I was helping out on my mate's allotment. Well, he's let me use 7 of the beds until I actually get an allotment plot myself, which I thought is much appreciated. So been up here digging over, did manage to get some onions in last week. There is some garlic already growing, but it's just digging over and making a start and trying to get some seeds planted. In the meantime, I've got a compost trial going on at home. That started yesterday, so I'll keep you all informed as to what's happening with that. There's 5 composts which I'm going to try, mainly because every time you put on YouTube, there's somebody growing with silver grow. They're all going on about it, and I'm thinking, well, is it really that good? Well, give it a try. Let's give it a thing. I'm not getting paid for any of this. I'm not going to put product placement in. You won't see, a packet of compost in my shot at any point. It's purely just for fun, and we're going to see how it goes. Right, just going to have another 5 minutes in the sun, and then I'll crack on and do a bit more. So catch you later. Right, what I'll do is I'll give you a bit of a tour of the old plot. I'll take you right down to the bottom. You've probably seen this before on one of the other videos, showing you around, but it's quite a long plot. It goes right down to here. So not in this bed yet. This is his blackberries, gooseberries and raspberries. Japanese knotweed. This is rhubarb patch. All these odds and ends. And basically from here onwards is mine for this year. So finishing digging that over. So I've got some couple of broad beans in the end of there. Nothing in this one. Nothing in that one. This one just needs the edges sorted out and levelling up. This one's got some onions in, and the netting needs sorting out. You can see in that. This one's got elephant garlic and just normal Provence garlic. Can't really focus on it. I don't know if you can see. This one has nothing in. It's just something I've been trying at work, and it was basically to see whether you could have a net underneath, polythene over the top, and then all you had to do was roll the polythene back when you're not using it. Roll it all the way back up, and then you can still get in. But decided to do it when it was windy, and it blew all over the place, so we had to stake it down with these metal stakes, and touch wood, it's not gone anywhere. So down another 5 minutes. See, see, it's like everything else. You do a little bit. Oh look, product placement, Tango. Fanta. If you do a little bit, have 5 minutes, do a bit more, have 5 minutes. It's not a big daunting task. You take it easier. I mean, obviously when you get to my age, which I'm now 60, which I keep getting reminded of, you just have to take it easy. You don't want to kill yourself, you want to enjoy yourself. And if you enjoy yourself, you can have your allotment, or somebody's allotment, or your own allotment eventually, for years to come. And, you know, I'd like, in one respect, to be carried out. You know, go to allotment, fall asleep in the shed, and off we go. See, that's another thing when you get to 60. Start thinking about mortality. And you think, Anyway, let's crack on. Right, well, we've got some shallots to put in. Journal. Anyway, yeah, we shall start putting these in. Run out. Right. Big these out. Put that one in over there. We've also got some red onions, so we shall put them in at that end. Now I've got some left, so I'm going to put them in the other bed over there, and I'm going to label them all up. So yeah. Well, it's me again. I had to come down today. Lost my mic yesterday, so I had to come find it. I eventually found it on the plot, but it's the first time I've been down when it's frosty, and it's so peaceful and so calm, and really good for the soul. And believe it or believe it not, I've actually been watching the soil move. You know, when it starts to defrost because of the frost, it's a weird thing. And you know, I've only got coffee. I haven't got, you know, a bottle of vodka or anything squat anywhere. It does actually just crumble. You know, it's because it's all frozen together. When it starts defrosting, it just goes boop, and falls over. Quite interesting. You want to watch it if you get a chance. Anyway, that's it for this video. So catch you in the next one. See ya.